Hello everyone. If you are planning to take an English proficiency test for your academic purpose, you must have came across with two different tests, IELTS and PTE. Now you must have thought, what's the difference between these two? Let me break it down for you only. While both tests assessed by English language skills, they have some distinct features. For starters, IELTS is more traditional, with a focus on British English and face-to-face speaking test. On the other hand, PTE is computer-based, offering quick results and addressing American English. So, whether you prefer pen and paper approach or digital testing, there is an option for you. Still unsure? Check out our detailed comparison chart for more insights. For preparing the exams, you can connect with SignUp International. We will help you to go through all the exams and get your visa done. Visit our website to learn more about us.